Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So this just came out of the restoration shop. I am the slot machine guy here, so I did the restoration on this. However, Jaime did do the paint work and the refinishing on the cabinet. I disassembled it. I did the service work on the mech, escalator, and jackpot, did all the service, lubrication, and tune. I bought this machine about 1.5 years ago. It was just a super nice WATLING Treasury, so I stepped up and I bought it. It's been sitting around here for a while. I enjoyed it in its original condition, and after I quit looking at it so much, I said, let me just restore that and I'll put it up for sale. Everything got knocked down, everything went to the chrome platers because chrome looks really good. What I did here was, typically this eagle would have been painted gold like the coins. I sent it out and had it gold plated. This machine has the American coins on it. Quick story, the Treasury Department got a hold of WATLING and said you cannot use our images on your slot machines anymore. So this has all of our old American coins. They were taken, the images were taken off of silver coins. Then they made them, or they said you can't use those. So WATLING started putting European coins on most of the Rolotops after they were told not to. We did the cabinet. This thing is super nice, original back door, original lock. It's got a WATLING cash box in it. It has its original 10 fortune-telling reel strips, which are in very good condition. This is a nickel machine. It come out fabulous. I was able to pick up one of these deluxe slot stands recently, and they've been kind of around the shop here. People have been trying to buy them from me. I had 2 of them, and I said, no, I'm gonna put that with this Treasury when I sell it. So I married it with this. If you do not want the stand, the price includes the stand. If you do not want the stand, just get in touch with us and we'll just take off a fair and equitable price for the stand and you can just have the machine. Just super, super nice. This is the deluxe stand because it has the upright pillars on it. It has recessed panels, which you will see in the still pictures on both sides. It has leaded glass up front, all made out of solid oak, as well as it has 1 shelf in it. So what we're going to do now is, once again, it's a double mint vendor, and for those of you who don't know, the jackpots, there's jackpot 1 and 2. So if you play the machine, it automatically loads the jackpots. I left them half full here so you can see we painted them nice gold behind there. If you hit a jackpot, 1 of them will open. And then mechanically, it flips over to the other one because in order for people to play the machine, they have to know they're going to be able to get a jackpot. So these go back and forth. If you hit it, you get 1 plus 20 coins. Every time you play the machine, you could get a pack of mints out of here. The way that you reload them is there's a little key here and this door comes off and you reload them. So the machine works absolutely great. This is a nice run in Treasury. Boom. All the payouts work, all the jackpot works. The escalator works nicely. It also has the second coin kickback, which is good. Here, that means you can't put too many coins in it, right? So it's going to kick the second one back, which is a good anti-jamming feature, right? Super, super nice. So once again, let's do this. Every time you play this, you can get a pack of mints. They also go left and right, okay? So we'll play this again. Now you will get a pack from this side if they are seated in there correctly. So that would give us one over there again. And this one will give us this one. Somewhere it's there. So anyway, these mints are sometimes a little bit bigger so they're not falling correctly. It works. Beautiful, beautiful Treasury, 1935 WATLING. Very nice condition, runs good, looks good, is good. Has decals left and right, WATLING decals. I married it with a beautiful deluxe stand. Super nice machine. These are highly collectible. These are one of the top of the WATLINGs, is the Treasury, and this one is ready to go. And if you do take this whole combined package, we will put it on a pallet, slot, and stand, shrink wrap, pad wrap, and have it delivered right to your doorstep. Anyway, super nice, 1935 WATLING Treasury, all ready to go, and you'll see the insides, etc. We'll put these into still pictures. Anyway, thanks for watching our videos always. You're getting a lot of chiming in on us. We really like it. We appreciate all the compliments. We keep doing them if you'll keep watching them. Anyway, thanks, folks.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.